So this last one is much different than the ones we've done so far. I have my f of x function, but notice I don't have the full equation, so the function f with the variable x is equal to 2x plus c. So see, this equation is only supposed to use the variable of x, so c should be a number. But to get that number, I have to have some reference to be able to solve for it. So that's where this comes into play. So if you look at this, f of 5, that tells me my x value, right? F evaluated at the x value of 5 is equal to 17. So I actually have an answer this time. So what we're going to do is the 17 is going to go here because that's the answer. That's the evaluating answer. If f of 5 is 17, 17 is your answer. And then, of course, x was 5, so it's going to go there. So this is one of the few times you're actually going to do something with the left-hand part of your equation because you have the answer. You have the evaluated answer. So 17 is equal to 2 times 5 plus c. So now I can actually solve for c. So I needed that answer to be able to do that because if this was still f of x or even f of 5, there's nothing you can do with that. It needs to be just a plain number. So 2 times 5 is 10. We'll subtract the 10. So 7 is our c value. So that means f of x is 2x plus 7. So technically, this right here is your answer because all it was asking for was c. But I can check my work. Remember how it said f of 5 was 17? Let's make sure f of 5 is 17. So let's plug 5 in now with the 7 and check and make sure that 7 should really be there. Well, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 7 is 17. So I got what it originally says. Check mark. My answer of 7 for that C value, that missing number, is correct.